Namaskar. Before we learn about job analysis, let's ask a simple question. Why are organizations redesigning jobs? The answer is very simple because work is changing. For example, we can say AI, technology, and hybrid work, and also the expectations of the customers are transforming. And what employees do every day also is being changed now. So HR needs to understand the new roles and responsibilities along with the skills and competencies required. That's where the role of job analysis begins. So in simple terms, we can put it like this. Job redesign changes the job and job analysis helps define it. So let's explore in this session why are organizations redesigning jobs. So the business environment has changed rapidly. Let's say global competition forces companies to become faster and more innovative, while artificial intelligence and digital transformation are changing how the work is being performed. Integrated supply chain require different departments and business partners to collaborate closely. At the same time, employees are expecting flexibility and also meaningful work, while customers are demanding faster, better, and more personalized services. Therefore, we can say that organizations are supposed to redesign their jobs, also workflows, and team structures to improve three things. Number one, efficiency. Number two, innovation. And number three, customer satisfaction. So, efficiency, innovation, and customer satisfaction. To stay competitive, organizations must reduce cost, improve quality, increase speed, encourage innovation, and strengthen employee collaboration. A wonderful example of this is your Amazon. Amazon. Every day, Amazon delivers millions of packages efficiently because its operations are built around well designed workflows and teamwork. So, there are two things numbering workflows, and second is teamwork. For example, let's say different departments such as warehousing, logistics, technology, and customer service work together seamlessly rather than operating in isolation. This collaboration actually helps Amazon deliver the products quickly while maintaining high customer satisfaction. So, how Amazon is able to achieve? Through well designed workflows and also teamwork. Now, let's say different departments, warehousing, logistics, technology, and customer support, they are not working in isolation, but rather they are working as a team in order to deliver the products efficiently. In the past, organizations followed a traditional hierarchical structure where more work moved from employee to supervisor and then to the manager. Employees mainly worked individually and decisions were made from top to down. While the structure provided clear authority, but often slowed the communication and also the decision making. So today, many organizations are using team-based work instead of working in separate departments. Employees of different functions such as design, engineering, marketing, finance, quality, and supplies, they work together as a cross-functional team while one with one common goal, that is to deliver the value to the customer. So this collaboration or this collaborative approach offers several benefits. For example, when we talk about traditional hierarchical structure, it had some drawbacks such as communication was slower, then decisions were made from top down, not bottom up. While work was done in individual departments separately, limited collaboration and innovation also. When we talk about cross-functional or team-based structure, we have faster decision making because everyone is talking and discussing and doing work together, and greater innovation and higher customer satisfaction. The more value is being provided to the customer ultimately, and less duplicate of work.
duplication of work. Sorry. Example. Let's understand this concept with one example of Whole Foods market. Unlike the traditional supermarkets where most decisions are made by store managers, the Whole Foods organizing each store into self-managed team such as the produce team, bakery team, seafood team, and prepared foods team and checkout team. While these teams are empowered to take many day-to-day decisions such as which products to stock, manage inventory, and participate in hiring new employees, providing performance feedback, and also preparing the work schedules. So this gives employees a greater freedom or responsibility and encourage them to take ownership of the department. This is the HR lesson, actually, that when you empower employees, it leads to higher innovation and motivation, stronger accountability, and better customer service because they consider themselves responsible or accountable for delivering value to the customer. When employees are trusted to make decisions, they feel more engaged and are more committed to deliver the excellent customer experience. Okay, now let's look at the example of General Motors. In the past, GM followed a traditional vehicle development process where design, uh, engineering, and manufacturing departments worked one after another. Each department completed its time work before it's passing it to the next. The problem was very simple the problem was very simple. If the engineering department or engineering team discovered the design issue, the work had to be sent back to the design team for modification. Similarly, if the manufacturing team found something wrong with like found that a part was difficult to assemble, the design had to be changed again. Means back to the level one. This resulted in repeated redesigns, longer development time, higher cost, and also delays in launching the new vehicle. This highlighted the need for a more collaborative approach, leading General Motors to adapt a cross-functional engineering team cross-functional engineering team where design, engineering, and manufacturing, all the departments can come together and work in collaboration to create the design or the product in very less time as compared to the earlier times. Now let's discuss what General Motors did to have the solution of this problem. General Motors introduced collaborative engineering teams where designers, engineers, and manufacturing experts and suppliers work together from the beginning. And also, team members shared design information in real time, and problems were identified and solved early as instead of after the completion. The results. What were the result of this? Development time reduced from 12 weeks to 2 weeks, means 10 weeks time was being saved. Engineers also gained more time to develop 3-4 alternative vehicles, means in very less time they were able to have more alternative vehicle designs. Then faster the product development, obviously, and lower the development cost because the time was being reduced and also more number of vehicles, alternative vehicle designs were produced. The cost was also being reduced and greater creativity and innovation. When we have option to choose option A, B, C, earlier what was happening? Everyone was developing different uh, designs and then they were working on single design for 12 weeks. But now everyone is working together and they are giving just not just one output but three output at a time. So when you have option to choose, there is more creativity and innovation.
These are the key references used for today's lecture. They provide the detailed explanation and the real world examples of the teamwork, cross functional team, and self managed teams. I encourage you to explore them further for learning. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, suggestions, or would like to discuss any topic further, please feel free to reach out to my email. I'm happy to hear your thoughts and support your learning. Have a great day and see you in the next class. Happy learning!